Hi everyone, I am Preeti Vachani and I welcome you all to Enriching Lives. Today I'm going to share with all of you very important and a useful information. Today's video is all about job vacancies, and the job vacancy that I'm going to share is not something that comes on a regular basis. It's exactly not a kind of only a job vacancy, it's much more than that. So please stay till the end so as to understand it in complete. Also, I would share the links in the description below so that you can apply from here itself. Let's get started. This is a government initiative. Before sharing with you all the details about this opportunity, I would first like to give you an overview of it. What is it exactly? So it is an initiative by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, that is MSDE, Government of India, and it would be implemented in collaboration with the state level district commissions. Okay, and the hosting would be done by IIM Bangalore. Also, all the IIMs would be active participants in this. So it's MGNF. The full form is Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship. So you would be awarded a certificate also. The duration would be 2 years. All the IIMs would be the participants and the host would be IIM Bangalore. Well, it's not the first time that it's happening. The pilot project has already been implemented, and around 65 to 70 participants have already done this fellowship program. Now the Government of India wants to scale it up on a national level. Hence, it is going to be implemented in 660 districts across India. It is not only a kind of job, but it also provides you an opportunity to learn, get trained with the IIMs. Now, a question would crop up in your mind. There would be certain kind of fees that you need to pay for the training. If I talk about the prestigious IIMs, well, let me tell you, no fees is charged by the government. Instead, you are paid a stipend, and that stipend would be 50,000 per month for the first year and 60,000 per month for the second year. So this program is for 2 years. It is specially very helpful for those people who want to work in public sector, who want to make their careers in public sector, who want to work for the nation, who want to be a contributor in the growth of the nation. You will also be awarded a certificate in public policy and management by the IIMs. So it's a golden opportunity to work in the government sector and get trained. The aim of this project is to upskill the people of rural areas. So basically, it's all about the skill development in rural areas, helping people to become employable, make them aware about the policies, and this aims at contributing to the overall economic growth and development of our country. So all those individuals who are keen to be a contributor in the skill development and economic growth and development should definitely apply for this. Also, it will be very useful for you as it's not just a job opportunity, it includes a lot of learnings. So how is this going to work? So this would be a combination of classroom trainings, which will be into some academic modules, and that would be conducted through the IIMs. And then you would be asked to go to the field to actually apply those principles that would be taught to you throughout your classroom sessions. So this is a theoretical plus a practical training for you. If you grab this opportunity, you would definitely get a lot of experience that would help you in climbing the ladders of your career. So now I'm going to share with you the important dates, the eligibility criteria, and the complete process of selection. Let's look at the important dates first. So the application window for the admissions of MGNF 2021 to 2023 program is now open, and the window is open till 27th of March 2021. Make sure you complete all the formalities and fill out the required form and attach the required details before time. Also, do not wait for the last date. Well, I would suggest, as you know, there are limited number of seats and a lot of people would be applying from all over the country, and the seats are 660 plus, but then it may increase also. Make sure you apply before the last date. Apply as soon as possible. Why wait for the last date? So it's 27 March 2021. After you apply, you will get the admit card. This will take around 3 to 4 months, the complete procedure. So your written test and your interviews, case study and everything. Okay, then let's understand what is the eligibility criteria. The number one criteria is that the candidate should be a citizen of India. The second criteria is that your age should be from 21 to 30 years. The third criteria is that you should be a graduate in any discipline. Now, it could be engineering, law, science, any discipline, but you should be a graduate. So the first step in the selection process is a written exam. The written exam would comprise of 4 sections. It would have 100 MCQs. So multiple choice questions would be there. 100 questions would be there. Also, there's a negative marking also. So make sure you solve the paper carefully. And the first section is general awareness. Well, more or less the awareness questions would be related to civics, history, policies, and the economic development and all those areas. Second is your data reasoning. How do you interpret the data? So there can be some graphs, and then you need to interpret some information based on those graphs. Also, there would be some questions in this section related to your logical reasoning. So this is the second section, which would be data interpretation and logical reasoning. You need to interpret the data and find out the correct answers. The third section would comprise of the quantitative ability. So this would be based on the mathematical questions. It would be a simple 10th grade mathematics. Okay, now I'll also provide you the link of the sample question paper so that you can understand the difficulty level of the questions. And the fourth section would be related to grammar and reading comprehension. So this would be to just check your basic English level. So these are the 4 sections. Now for test centers, don't worry about that. You would be notified beforehand and you would come to know which is the nearest location for the test. Everything would be notified to you in advance. So this is all about the written test. If you get selected in this written exam, then you would be appearing for an interview. Also, it would be followed by a case study. The interview could be related to questions like, why do you want to pursue this fellowship program? What is your purpose in life? Or something related to your educational qualifications. So the questions would be pretty simple, but then you should be well prepared if I talk about awareness about yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, your purpose in life, what is it that you are passionate about, and so on. Interviews will take place during the second week of May till the end of May. Also, the interviews will be scheduled in the capital of the states. So if you are somebody who stays in, let's say, Punjab, so your interview will take place in Chandigarh. Okay, so that would be the nearest place to you. So they would take place in all the capitals. If you are really interested, do type in the comment section. I would make a separate video on how to prepare for this exam. Okay, now the interview would be followed by a case study. That case study would be related to the people in rural areas. So you would be presented a case, then a problem would be presented to you, and your task, your job would be to find out the solution to that particular problem. So basically you need to solve that case study. I would suggest that try solving the case studies. How do we understand what is the real problem? How to solve a problem? Basically, are you a problem solver or not? So this is evaluated through the case study. Now, once you are clear with all these 3 tests, you would be called for the academic sessions, which would take place at all the 9 IIMs, and the MGNF classes, so the Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship classes, the classroom sessions, and the district immersion responsibilities, wherein you would go to the district level and you would work at the district level. So these will start tentatively around July 2021. So from March to July, the complete selection procedure will take place. The coordinator for all the academic sessions and the complete MGNF program is IIM Bangalore. So there would be a common admission process that would be managed centrally by IIM Bangalore. So I hope you got the clear idea about all the details that are needed to apply for this opportunity. Well, it's really a fantastic opportunity for all the young individuals out here who want to learn and grow. Well, I would say more than the stipend, it's the learning that matters during these 2 years of MGNF. It's a lifetime opportunity to learn and get yourself trained with IIMs and the Government of India. It's really a wonderful project, and I believe you should definitely apply for it. In case you want to have more details, do post in the comment section below. Also, I have uploaded a complete soft skills series and many other personality development videos on my channel. Do have a look at them so that you can prepare for any opportunity that comes in your way. I would soon come back with a different job vacancy and an opportunity for you all. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.